In this video, we'll be discussing how to convert from grams to moles. And in this case, we'll be converting 83.6 grams of NaCl into moles of NaCl. Now, anytime we need to do those types of conversions of grams to moles or moles to grams, we need to know the molar mass of our chemical first. So, we'll use our periodic table and we'll look up sodium. We see that's equal to 22.99 grams per mole. And then we'll look up chlorine, and we see that is going to be equal to 35.45 grams per mole. Now when we go to put these together to create the molar mass, we need to look at if there are any numbers by Na or Cl. In this case, there are none. So that means we just have one of each of those. So this is going to be equal to 22.99 plus 35.45, which is equal to 58.44 grams per mole. Now we have the molar mass of NaCl. We can now continue and solve this problem. We can visualize the molar mass as two different types of fractions. We can say that for every 58.44 grams, we have 1 mole. Or we can say that for every 1 mole, we have 58.44 grams. When we want to use one or the other, we need to pay attention on where we're starting in our problem and where we're going in our problem. In this case, we're starting with grams and converting to moles. Since we want to find what moles are, we're going to use this one on our right because it has moles on the top and grams on the bottom. So now let's solve this problem. So we have our 83.6 grams of sodium chloride. Now for every 1 mole of sodium chloride, we know that we're going to have 58.44 grams of sodium chloride. Alright, now we have it set up and we can solve. Now when we go to solve these, we multiply all the top numbers together to create one number, and we multiply all the bottom numbers together to create one number. So 83.6 times 1 is still 83.6. Another note is we have to multiply our units. So we have grams and we have moles. So this is going to be grams times mole of NaCl. Then on the bottom we have our 58.44 grams of NaCl. Now since I have grams on top and grams on bottom, those units are going to cancel, leaving me only with moles of NaCl, which is exactly what I wanted. So as I take 83.6 and divide it by 58.44, I end up with 1.43 mole of NaCl. And that is how you convert grams to moles.